This is sum number 5, partnership business. Deepu, Rabea and Megha have started a small business by investing the capitals of rupees 6,500, 5,200 and 9,100 respectively, and just after 1 year they make a profit of rupees 14,400. If they divided two-thirds of the profit equally among themselves and the remaining in the ratio of their capitals, let us find the profit share of each. The this sum is very easy, very simple sum, but very lengthy sum. So you have to calculate correctly and fastly. So first we have to find the ratio of these three friends capital. Ratio of capital of Deepu, Rabea and Megha (6,500 is to 5,200 is to 9,100). Now here we have to eliminate two zeros because in each three of these terms the remaining those two parts are these two zeros. So after eliminating these two zeros we get 65 is to 52 is to 91. Now you see all of these three numbers are divided by 13. So therefore after divided by 13 we get 5 is to 4 is to 7. Now total profit is rupees 14,400. 2/3 part profit equally among themselves divided. So 2/3 profit is 14,400 into 2/3 equal to 3,22400. Sorry, this should be 4,800 into 2 equal to 9,600 rupees. So 9,600 rupees the profit, total profit is 14,400 rupees, and among 14,400 rupees 9,600 rupees divided among themselves equally. So therefore each one get 9,600 division by 3 equal to 3,200 rupees. So the remaining profit is 14,400 minus 9,600, it should be 4,800 rupees. This remaining 4,800 rupees distributed along their investment ratio, which the ratio is 5 is to 4 is to 7. So therefore 4,800 rupees profit among three friends, each one get first three friends. So therefore first one is 5, second one is 4, third one is 7. So therefore Deepu get equal to 4,800 into this one is 5 by 5 plus 4 plus 7. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 7 16. You can do it in this procedure, or if this procedure is not appropriate. Some of the students think that this procedure is not appropriate for themselves. That's why they can use let Deepu, Rabea and Megha get in this ratio 5:4:7, 5x, 4x, 7x. So therefore 5x plus 4x plus 7x equal to 4800, 16x equal to 4800, x equal to 4800 by 16 equal to 300. So therefore Deepu get 5x equal to 5 into 300, 1500 rupees. Rabea get 4x equal to 4 into 300, 1200 rupees, and Megha get 7x equal to 7 into 300 equal to 2100 rupees. So therefore total profit of Deepu is, each of them get 3200. So 3200 plus 1500 equal to 4700. Rabea get total 3200 plus 1200, 4500, sorry 4400, 4400, and Megha 3200 plus 2100, it should be 5300. Now if anyone want to do it in this procedure, let's see, this 1500 and this 1500 both are same. So therefore if anyone want to do it, Deepu get in this manner, Rabea get in this manner, Megha get in this manner, and after they add 3200 rupees in each of them, the answer will be same. So any of the procedure you can use. So first the answer is Deepu, total profit of Deepu is 4700, Rabea is 4400, this should be 44, and Megha got 5300 rupees. This is sum number 6. Three friends have started a business by investing rupees 8000, rupees 10,000 and rupees 12,000 respectively. They also took an amount as bank loan. At the end of year, they made a profit of rupees 13,400. After paying the annual bank installment of rupees 5,000, they divided the remaining money of the profit among themselves in the ratio of their capitals. So let us write by calculating the profit share of each. So first, ratio of investment or invested money of three friends is 8,000, 10,000, 12,000. First eliminate these three zeros, we get 8:10:12. Now eliminate by 2, we get 4:5:6. Now total profit equal to 13,400. Bank installment equal to 5,000 rupees. After pay bank installments, after pay bank installment, they got 13,400 minus 5,000 rupees equal to 8,400 rupees. Now let the money which three friends this should be money na profit. Let the profit which three friends got in the ratio 4:5:7. So therefore 4x 5x to 6x. So therefore 4x plus 5x plus 6x equal to 8,400. So 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 15, 15x equal to 8400. So therefore x equal to 8400 by 15, 75, 5, the remaining is 9090. It should be 560. So therefore first friend get 4x equal to 4 into 560. This should be 0.2240 rupees. Second friend the spelling, let's check the spelling. Okay, so 5x equal to 5 into 560. This should be IE. Okay, not matter anything in these sums. So 0 2,800 rupees, and the third friend get 6x equal to 6 into 560. 3360 rupees. So share of the first friend is 2240, second one is 2800, and third one is 60. This is the answer.